Measuring and location technology from SebaKMT, water leak location. Correlux P250 PC correlator, system makeup. The standard delivery content of the Correlux P250 PC correlator includes e-box radio interface, active piezo sensors and transmitter, headphones for listening to the leak noise on the transmitters as well as on the correlator, tablet PC or laptop, standard transmitting aerials as well as aerial with magnetic base for measurements from the car, GPS aerial for easy site plan generation, and a transport case. The measuring itself. Setting out the sensors. The Correlux P250 PC correlator works with new active piezo sensors with increased sensitivity. Thanks to these sensors, even measurement results on plastic pipes are improved. In addition, the new PAM Hydro 2 hydrophones are available as an option with which measurements on plastic pipes can be carried out even at distances of several hundred meters. There is an option to use a headphone connection on the transmitters to listen to the recorded leak noise. The leak noise level is displayed graphically and numerically on the display of the transmitter. Online correlation. A tablet PC using Windows 8 or any desired laptop with sufficient display size can be used for the actual measurement. Using the Correlux P250 PC correlator, we surveyed a leak which we located previously between sensors 3 and 4 with the SebaLog Core multifunctional leak locating system. In doing so, it was clearly recognizable that the sensors, in addition to the leak within the section measured, 20 meters from sensor number 4, had recorded yet another leak noise which originated from this part of the network, namely from the second leak between sensor 5 and 1. If we look at the results of the SebaLog Core multi-correlator, we see that the leak is located between the sensors 3 and 4 in a frequency range of around 700 Hz. Now, if we look at the result of the Correlux P250 PC correlator, two correlation peaks are clearly recognizable. This with a broadband setting of the frequency filter. The right peak corresponds to a leak distance of 21.8 meters from the yellow transmitter, which corresponds to the actual leak location within the section measured. The left peak points to the orange sensor, which indicates a possible leak outside the section measured in this direction. Now, if we select a frequency filter in the region of 700 Hz, only the leak within the section measured is displayed, and that with an even better precision of 20.7 meters from the yellow transmitter. If we set the filter to the second low frequency maximum of the coherence curve, the leak location is displayed on the orange sensor, which is to be attributed to the second leaked noise outside the section measured. This was actually the influence of the second leak, which was located in this section of the network. Pinpoint location using ground microphones. Hydrolux HL5000. After using the Correlux P250 correlator, the surveyed leak point was then confirmed and pinpointed using the Correlux HL5000 acoustic listening system. The histogram function of the HL5000 helps the user to locate the position with the maximum noise level quickly and easily. Here the minimum recorded level value is displayed, with which the influence of the short-term interfering noises is eliminated. The additional option of filter adjustment further improves the suppression of ambient noise. Pinpointing with the listening device confirmed that the leak location surveyed by the PC correlator, labeled here with a point, was positioned exactly in the middle of the zone with an audible leak noise and thus confirmed as the middle of the excavation. Correlation measurement on plastic pipes. PAM Hydro 2 hydrophone. New hydrophones with the name PAM Hydro 2 are optionally available for the SebaKMT correlators. These show outstanding measurement results on plastic pipes, and this on pipe sections with a length of several hundred meters, which was unrealistic with the means available up till now. Thanks to the practical construction of the hydrophones, mounting to underground hydrants is possible without using standpipes. The hydrophones are tightened by hand initially and then with the key. Before starting the correlation measurement, it is important to ventilate the hydrophones. The hydrophones are connected to the TXA/TXB transmitters of the Correlux P250 or Correlux P2 correlators via connection cables. On this picture, the current record concerning the successful correlation measurement on plastic pipes is displayed. Using the PAM Hydro 2 hydrophones, a leak in a PVC pipe with a diameter of DN100 was able to be surveyed successfully, and this with a 407 meter measured section. The successful surveying in this case was possible with both correlator types, Correlux P250 and Correlux P2.